everyone, welcome back to Mobile, Alabama, Living with Leonel Colon. I'm Leonel, real estate agent with EXP Realty right here in beautiful Mobile, Alabama. So listen, if you're thinking about selling your home, hold up for a second, because listing a house without prepping it is like trying to sell a car without cleaning out the fast food wrappers. Let's talk about what you need to do before you list your home. Step number one, numero uno, deep clean. We're not just talking about wiping down counters. I mean a legit grandma level deep clean. We're thinking about baseboards, windows, light switches, ceiling fans. Listen, buyers notice the little stuff. If your fridge smells like leftover shrimp from Mardi Gras 2023, listen, they are walking out that door. Step number two, declutter. Too much stuff equals too little space. You want buyers to feel like your home is open and roomy, not like they're touring a storage unit. So toss, donate, or box up everything you don't need. Less is more, unless we're talking about square footage. Step number three, depersonalize. You're moving anyway. Go ahead and take down a family photo wall, the Go Saint Shrine, and your kids' third grade artwork. The goal is to let buyers picture themselves living there, not feel like they are intruding on your space. Step number four, fix the small stuff. Loose doorknobs, squeaky hinges, burnt out light bulbs. They may seem minor, but they tell buyers this place hasn't been maintained. A simple repair list now can save you thousands of negotiations later. Step number five, boost the curb appeal. First impressions start in the driveway. Mow the lawn, clean the front door, pressure wash if needed, and maybe throw in a cheerful welcome mat. Buyers decide how they feel about a home within the first few seconds. Make those seconds count. And step number six, light staging. You don't need to hire HGTV, but do take the time to make every room feel its best. Make the beds, fluff the pillows, hide the laundry, and add a couple simple decor pieces. Let natural light in, and please pick a candle scent that doesn't smell like a cinnamon forest fire. And that's it. Clean it, clear it, fix it, and make it shine, because your home deserves to make a great first impression. I'm Leonel Colon with EXP Realty, and this is Mobile, Alabama Living. Stay cool, stay ready, and I'll see you in the next one.